Jai Hind, sir. It's my honor and privilege to brief the flag area of Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh Directorate. The theme allotted to our directorate is towards peace, progress and prosperity. So, the base model is in the shape of butterfly depicting the logo of smart city projects of Government of India as planned in the cities of Jammu and Srinagar. The UT administration is giving mega push to infrastructure projects, including Domlingla Pass, which is one of the highest black top motorable road in the world. All households have been promoted to install solar cooking devices. Indian Observatory has been set up at Hanle, which is 260 kilometers to the southeast of Leh. The telescope is providing the complete coverage of Indian subcontinent. As a testimony of peace and normalcy, Lal Chowk lights up every evening in the tricolor. A mega push is being given in the field of education and sports sector. Now each district is having indoor sports complex and each village is having outdoor play fields. In education sector, more than 25,000 seats are being added in 50 new colleges. The production of apples and saffron got doubled, which doubled the income of the farmers. Under the National Saffron Commission, saffron production increased from 1.6 kg per hectare to 4.5 kg per hectare. The completion of Chenab Bridge has brought all-around connectivity in the Kashmir region. 8 dams are under construction, which will provide 6,600 megawatts of energy in the near future. 2 AIMS, 5 medical colleges and 7 nursing colleges are upcoming, which will provide world-class healthcare facilities in the Union Territory. The Shikara is representing the tourism sector. 1.6 crore tourists visited previous year, which contributed 7% into UT's economy. To conclude, I say with confidence that a new dawn has arrived in the crowning jewels of India, that is Union Territories of Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh. The UTs have witnessed unprecedented growth in each and every walks of life, which has led towards overall peace, progress and prosperity. Jai Hind, sir.
Offer a perfect destination for activities such as